Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to show you how to use the network days function. The network days function returns the number of whole working days between start date and end date. Working days exclude weekends and any optional dates identified as holidays. The network days has two required arguments, start date and end date, and one optional argument, holidays. Holidays can be a range of one or more dates to exclude from the working calendar, such as state and federal holidays. In this example, we have a list of projects we want to find the total days between start date and end date, total work days, this excludes weekends, and total work days with holidays. This excludes weekends and any dates I have in my holiday table. In cell D2, let's enter our days formula. I have a video on this function which I have linked in the description below. In D2, enter equals days, open parentheses, C2 for our end date, comma, B2 for our start date, close parentheses. Now in column D, we see how many days there are between start and end date. Now let's find our work days. Remember, this excludes weekends, which would be Saturday and Sunday. In E2, enter equals network days, open parentheses, B2 for our start date, comma, C2 for our end date, close parentheses. In column E, we now see the number of days, Monday through Friday, between the start and end dates. As you can see, there's a value difference between column D, which is the total days, and column E, which is only work days. Now let's add our holidays. I have a name table in column H through J called holidays. In the holiday table, you will notice holidays landing on a weekend. So although these are holidays, they will not impact the days counted since the weekends are already accounted for in the network days function. I will use the table name holiday and the column name date as my reference, so if I add or remove dates from this list, I will not have to adjust my formula. In cell F2, enter equals network days, open parentheses, B2, comma, C2, comma, holiday, that's for our table, left bracket, date, right bracket, close parentheses, and hit enter. Now in column F, you will see number of work days excluding weekends and holidays. With our formulas in place, we now have number of total days it will take to complete the project, number of days without weekends, and the number of days without weekends and holidays to work on the project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.